Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning 3-part seamless banner on Instagram using Canva. This technique lets you design a cohesive image that spans across 3 posts on your profile grid, creating an eye-catching visual effect that really makes your feed stand out. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Canva and look for the option that says Create a Design at the top of your screen. Once you see it, click on Custom Size. This is important because Instagram's 3-part banner requires specific dimensions to display properly across your grid, and we need to set those up manually rather than using a preset template. Now you'll see 2 fields appear where you can enter dimensions. In the width field, type 3240, and in the height field, type 1350. These dimensions ensure your banner fits perfectly across 3 Instagram posts. After entering these numbers, click Create New Design. This will generate a blank canvas with the exact proportions you need for your seamless banner. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings, and then toggle on the option that says Show Rulers and Guides. This feature is crucial because it helps you divide your canvas accurately into 3 equal sections, ensuring each part of your banner aligns perfectly when posted on Instagram. With the guides visible, you'll now need to drag vertical guides onto your canvas to mark where each section should be divided. Click and drag from the ruler on the left side of your screen to place the first vertical guide at 1080 pixels. Then drag another vertical guide to 2160 pixels. These 2 guides create 3 equal sections of 1080 pixels each, which is exactly the width of 1 Instagram post. This ensures your design will split evenly across the 3 images. Now it's time to design your banner. Go to the Design tab on the left sidebar and browse through the available templates. You can choose one that fits your style, or if you prefer complete creative control, simply click on the blank canvas and start building from scratch. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Begin selecting your elements. Choose your background, add photos, insert text, and include shapes to create your visual composition. As you're designing, make sure to place important elements like text, focal points, or key graphics so they flow seamlessly across all 3 sections. This continuity is what makes the banner look cohesive when viewed on your Instagram profile grid. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Share at the top right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, click Download. In the Format selection menu, choose PNG to ensure high quality and proper transparency if needed. Then click Download again and Canva will prepare your file. Wait a moment while it processes and saves your banner to your device. Finally, head over to Instagram and upload the 3 images to your profile. And that's it! You've successfully created a beautiful 3-part seamless banner that will make your Instagram profile look professional and visually striking. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.